What's up everyone, thank you for watching Just Make It. I'm Yash and again I'm back with another video for you all. So a few people were requesting me to make something that they could make with the at least available stuff at their homes. So today I came with a project that the people can sit at their homes and make it with the least available stuff at their home. So today we gonna make magnetic stickers for our refrigerator, and it's pretty cool. They look so awesome that you can't imagine. So and I'm sure you will have that stuff whatever I will use in this particular video, and this video is gonna be very interesting, so watch it till the end. So now what are we waiting for? Let's begin. Subscribe if you are new. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video, and that was it. And yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up because that gives me the motivation to make more videos. Really. And yeah, please do share with your friends who are bored at home in this lockdown, and subscribe if you are new and turn on the notification bell on. So yeah, bye. I will see you in the next video.